Hello students, we are solving the IB Math AHL May 2024 paper 2 times on 1 past paper. Today we will be solving the question number 4 of this paper. This is a common question for the SL and the HL level students. For the SL students it is question number 5 and for the HL students it is question number 4. And for the HL students you will be getting the other solved past paper questions in form of playlists on my channel NS Online Math Tutoring Classes. You will also be getting playlists where the solved past paper questions will be available based on their topics. I'm Nilanjana Sanyal. I am an online IB Math HL level tutor. In case you want to join my classes, please contact me for more details. My phone number and my website address are displayed at the bottom of the screen. So without any further delay, let us start answering this question. The maximum mark is 6. It is saying a particle moves in a straight line such that it passes through a fixed point O at time t equal to 0, where t represents the time measured in seconds after passing O. For t greater than or equal to 0 but is less than or equal to 10, its velocity v meters per second is given by this equation or expression v equal to 2 sine 0.5t plus 0.3t minus 2, and the graph of v is shown in the following diagram. Part A's question is find the smallest value of t when the particle changes direction. It contains just 2 marks. Okay, and when the particle changes direction, we know the velocity of the particle becomes momentarily equal to 0. Okay, so when a particle changes its direction, v is equal to 0. Therefore, 2 sine 0.5t plus 0.3t minus 2 is equal to 0, and we have to get the value of t. This is a paper 2 question. We can use the calculator. Therefore, t is equal to calculator, and I can use the InSolve. So menu, and then it is the algebra number 3 and it will be number 1 InSolve, and it is 2 times sine 0.5 times, I can take t as the variable, plus 0.3 times t minus 2 equal to 0, and we have to declare the variable. It is t, comma t. Come out and I press enter. If we use InSolve, the InSolve will be giving us the very first value. If you want to be sure that this is the first value, then you have to go to the graphs. Okay, and you have to graph this. So if we graph this one, 2 sine 0.5 times t, for graph it should be x, plus 0.3 times x minus 2, and then I can find the 0. So analyze graph and 0, and this is the thing. You see 1.68695, and what did the InSolve give us? 1.686948 and all. So 1.68695, it is the correct answer, and it is the first answer. So we can write 1.68695 using seconds, using GDC InSolve. Okay, therefore t is equal to 1.69 seconds correct up to 3 significant figures. Okay. So part B. The displacement of the particle is measured in meters from O. So part B's question is find the range of values of T for which the displacement of the particle is increasing. Okay. So displacement is increasing when velocity is positive. Okay. That means V has to be greater than 0. So this expression should be greater than 0. So therefore, 2 sine 0.5 t plus 0.3 t minus 2 is greater than 0. Okay. So for this, you cannot solve an inequality using nsolve. So we have drawn the graph. We go to the graph and we see this is the 0 and this will be the second 0. So I get analyze graph and 0. These are the two zeros. If I can, the time is between 0 to 10. So I can just change the window settings. I can take this as -1 and this as, okay, 11. Okay, and you see it is between these two values. This is 1.68695 and this one is 6.11857. Between these two values, time values, the velocity is above the x-axis. That means velocity is positive. Therefore, between these two time interval, you have the displacement is increasing. Okay, so we have to write using GDC graphs. It is also containing 2 marks. So we have first of all given the inequality and then we are writing using GDC graphs. Range of values, so we have to give the time interval. T should be between these two. One is 1.69, I should be writing. And the second one is 6.12. Okay. Correct up to 3 significant figures. So part C, find the displacement of the particle relative to O when t equal to 10. T is between 0 to 10. So, and we are given the expression for velocity and this is displacement. So we have to integrate. So it is displacement equal to, let me write. Is equal to, this is 0 to 10. And the expression is 2 sine 0.5 t plus 0.3 t minus 2 dt. It is also containing 2 marks. So we have to use the calculator, of course. I come to this place, to this page, and it is menu and then calculus 4 and then numerical integral is 2. It is 0 and then it is 10. Integrand is 2 times sine 0.5 t. Let me take it as x. 0.5 x plus 0.3 x. I could have taken the variable as t, because you are given this option of whether it is dx or dy, whatever it is. I could have taken these as t and I could have written dt. Okay, that was also equally correct. And then minus 2. And then I come over here and it is x and I press enter. So it is minus 2.13, and this is the final answer that I'll be giving. So I'll be taking only up to 3 significant figures. It is minus 2.13. Okay. Minus 2.13 meters. Correct. Up to 3 significant figures. This is the final answer. Fine, so we have completed solving this question. Thank you for staying with me till the end. Please like this video in case you have liked my explanation, and please share this video with your friends. And do not forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Your liking, sharing and subscribing will be helping me a lot. And we meet again very soon in our next session. We'll be solving the next question of the same paper. Till then, bye.